Resetting your Comcast box, quick and easy guide.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about a common issue that you might face with your Comcast box, a stuck channel. This can be quite frustrating, especially when you're all set for your favorite show. But don't worry. This guide will show you how to reset your Comcast box to resolve this issue.
What causes a stuck channel?
Sometimes, minor glitches or issues in your Comcast box can cause it to get stuck on a certain channel. This could be due to software issues, incorrect settings, or even just a temporary hiccup in the service. A simple reset often solves the problem.
Preparing for the reset.
Before you start with the reset process, make sure your Comcast box is plugged into a power source and your TV is turned on. Please remember that resetting your Comcast box may interrupt any recordings that are currently in progress, so plan accordingly.
How to reset your Comcast box.
Resetting your Comcast box is straightforward. Let's walk through the process. 1. Find your Comcast remote. This is usually a small, black device with a lot of buttons. 2. Press the A button. This is located near the top of the remote. 3. Select Reset Box. Use the arrow keys on the remote to navigate to this option. 4. Confirm the reset. After selecting Reset Box, you'll be asked to confirm. Press OK on your remote to confirm the reset. Your Comcast box will now restart. This process can take up to 20 minutes, so be patient. Once the box has restarted, check to see if the stuck channel issue has been resolved.
What if the problem persists?
If you've followed the above steps and your Comcast box is still stuck on the same channel, it may be time to contact Comcast customer support. They can guide you through further troubleshooting steps or set up a technician visit if necessary. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to reset your Comcast box. Remember, glitches happen, but they can often be easily resolved with a simple reset. If all else fails, Comcast customer support is always there to help. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your uninterrupted viewing experience.